How can be as responsible citizen?
We thought farming is natural. It's not synthetic like other types of waste. Then how can it produce waste?
Before this project, plastic was just a part of our daily life. We saw stray cows and dogs eating plastic bag mixed with the food waste. It is about what we can't see.
Plastic is everywhere. It is very hard to recycle. What actually is a paper waste?
To make just this one sheet of A4 paper, it takes around 10 liters of water.
What practical solution and awareness strategy can we implement?
What types of waste are generated in our community and how do they impact human health?
How much GMC work for us behind the scenes to manage the waste? Composting is the best solution to reduce agricultural waste.
Our research gave us a scary answer. It's not just trash, it's toxic.
Jai Sachidanand. We do projects with our children every year. This year, we tried something different. The student led the whole project and did everything. Everything, when I say everything, means everything. From finding the problem to figuring out the solution to it. We started with watching videos of Pirana landfill and then landfills in Delhi. And everybody was shocked to see it. Even I found it like an eye-opening. The students kept on asking, why isn't this solved yet?
Yes, go ahead. Ma'am, I was shocked that in Delhi, the dumps were so heighted that it was majorly equivalent to Qutub Minar and more than 2 times of a cricket ground.
Ma'am, how can there be this much trash in the whole country and per day we are dumping 141,000 tons, which is very huge amount of trash.
I was shocked by that in the people living in this area with so many problems they are facing, then also how they are able to live.
3 landfills over there, but 3 of them are completely exhausted. They are filled with trash and more trash is coming. But our government is not able to solve the problem of decomposing it.
And it was really inspiring for our children to see how different countries are managing the whole problem. They also met different expertise from different departments, like people who are managing, let's say, medicinal waste, hospital waste, organic waste, so electronic waste. So they get to know about what different kinds of waste are there and how they should be discarded.
Agriculture waste માંથી બનાવેલું છે. રાઈટ? નારિયેળનું જે છીલકું આવે ને એના ફાઈબર માંથી પોટ બનાવ્યું છે.
The students were really curious, so we decided to go out of the classroom and we went to GMC Vermicompost plant, and we also went to Reco Solutions, where waste is converted into something very useful. So our students actually started working from now. Now they got to the ground, they decided to divide themselves into groups, and they decided their area as Sector 4 of ATPL Adalash Trimandir. They sat together, they prepared questionnaire, and first they met the maintenance team. They got to know their problems. Then they went from door to door and met the residents, spoke to them.
Then brown bin is for the plastic, metal and all that. And we have a black bin which has like a normal, our general waste.
So, ma'am, do you know, waste has become a huge issue in our country. Most of the waste is being dumped into landfills.
Things which we got to know was really interesting. It was not about the system failure. The result was that it was about awareness, small habits and struggles which people face.
So in this project, we are actually reading the other countries' methods, how the plastic is being managed and how the waste is being managed properly.
Sweden is one of the countries which has a less amount of problems in waste management, and one of its fact is that when the recycling of the waste is done, it collects waste from other countries like Norway and United Kingdoms.
So they come up with a solution and went back to the maintenance team.
We already said with the collectors, said with the supervisors, and also talk with the agencies who are collecting segregated material from our side.
Each floor will have a common wet waste dustbin and a dry waste dustbin which should be purchased by them. A wet waste common dustbin will be given by us.
And organized a community meeting where they prepared and talked about what was the problem, what could be the impact, and what could actually change. At the end, residents and our students took an oath together.
તથા પડોશીઓમાં જાગૃતિ લાવીશ.
છોકરાએ બહુ જ સરસ કર્યું. તમારો એફર્ટ્સ આઈ અપ્લોડ કે એફર્ટ્સ આટલી મહેનત કરીને તમે આવી અવેરનેસ લાવો છો જે બહુ જ જરૂરી છે આપણા માટે.
Very nice. This is a very important aspect.
Seeing this shift from the ideas turning into the real action, that was kind of a highlight for me. They finished by presenting the entire journey in our celebration of learning program in front of their parents and guests, confident, prepared and proudly. That's what this last year has taught me. When you give a real life problem to our student and trust them with it, they show up in the ways even you don't expect.
And finally now the students also took this initiative back to their school. They wanted to create a real impact by spreading awareness among all of their classmates as well. And to take this action, they actually set up some boxes to collect different types of wastes.
So we have arranged the 3 types of dustbins to collect the waste. So plastic waste, paper waste and e-waste.
So we are collecting the waste and separating it. After collecting this waste, we will give it to the recycling units.
So if you have any waste, then throw in our boxes and help us with our small initiative.